Today, we're going to learn how to download files directly from the command line in Windows 11. No browser needed. This is super useful for automation, remote servers, speeding up your workflow, or just showing off. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tech tips like this. Let's dive in. To download files using the command line, you can use the PowerShell command line tool or the ordinary command line with the wget command. The wget command is a command line utility used to download files from the web in Unix or Linux systems, also available for Windows. It supports HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP protocols and works non-interactively, meaning it can run in the background. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, search for Windows PowerShell or CMD and click Open. Run the following command, replacing your URL here with the actual download URL and your file name .extension. With the desired file name and extension, you want to save it as. So with this command, the file will be downloaded to my home directory. When you check, you will find the file on the home directory. To save the downloaded file to a specific location, replace your file name .extension with the full path, like the full path to the downloads folder. And that's it. Now you know how to download files using the command line in Windows 11. If this helped you, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.